Hi, hello. This is your girl Josy. I hope everybody's doing very well. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I talk about cash staffing, budgeting, savings challenges, and paying off my student loan. So if it's something that you like, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my video. I just want to give a special welcome to my new subscribers. For my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. Thank you for being part of my friend. For today's video, we go do another 4 envelopes for this challenge, the 100 envelope savings challenge, but I'm doing the multiplication way. So if you don't know about it, keep watching. I hope everybody is doing very well. I'm getting there for this challenge, almost there. What have you been doing that you are getting there? For today's motivational message, it says getting there. What have you been doing? Are you started something and you feel like you are almost there? That's this challenge for me. I'm almost there. I can't wait to get it done. I'm super excited I'm getting it done. And I can't wait to count it. The counting part is the fun part. To see the amount is the fun part. And for those of you who have been asking me about the challenge, yes, I'm doing 40% off on my Etsy shop. So go grab your copy. They are almost gone. Almost gone. So make sure you get your copy on Etsy shop. I have the link in the description below. Before we get started, you guys know already we have to count the money. So let's do that. So we have 1, 2, that's 40. We have 10, that's 50. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 40. So that's 90. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 99. So we are working with 99 today. For today, I'm going to do 89, 90, 91, 92. But you guys remember, for those of you watching me, you know that 9 times 0 is 0. So I normally don't put anything here. So I'm just going to do 89, 91, 92. So 89, I'm going to multiply. So instead of 89, I'll multiply and do 8 times 9, which is $72. So I'm going to put $72 here. So let's do, this is 40, 50, 70, 72. And like I said, for 9 times 0, I'm not putting anything. And like I said, 9 times 0 is 0. I'm not putting anything. I have some other friends who are also doing the challenge with me. And when they do 9 times 0, instead of 0, they put $9. So it depends on you, what you want to do, what you want to put in there. For me, I'm running for my budget. So I'm not going to put anything here. Then we have 9 times 1, which is 9. So I'm going to put 9 here. So that's $9. Then I have 9 times 2, which is 18. That's 15, 16, 17, 18. So I'm going to put 18 here. So like I said, I've been telling everybody, the 100 envelope savings challenge, you can do it your way, the way you want it. That's why from the one I'm selling, I give a free empty tracker, so that in case you are doing a different way, you can record the numbers over here as well. So that's how I'm doing it. So I do have this one and I do have that. And remember, there's a sale going on, 40% off. Don't forget to miss that. So now we have 2 of them. I can't wait to get it done. I'm hoping that we will get it done by next week. So let me go ahead and show you guys. Anytime I look at it, I get so excited. Here we go. Coming up. And here we go. So let's shade it here. So I did 89. 90 was 0. I didn't do it. 92. Yeah. Okay. Then let me go ahead and also record this one. So we did 72. 9. 18. Okay, I want to do the math here and see how much I'll get here. So let me get my calculator. So I have 8 plus 16 plus 24 plus 32 plus 40 plus 48 plus 56 plus 62 plus 72. So this side is, where's my pen? $360 for this row. Okay. Yes. Do you guys want to see how much you saved so far? Let's be curious a little bit. So 45 plus 45 plus 90 plus 135, 180, 225, 263, 318, 315, 360. That's 1,658. Yes. So the one that somebody made a comment saying that I'm beginning about 1,800, it's about right. I think it's about right. So far we are at 1,658. Super excited. Okay. Excited about this. I can't wait to count the money. I can't wait at all. So this is what we've done so far up to now. 11 just 2, which I'll do it next week. Then we are done. So we're going to do live counting it like we did last time. And that's all we've done. Look at this. Look at the money. So super cute. So thanks for watching. I'm grateful to be part of my friends. For my new subscribers, thank you. For my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. If you haven't hit on the subscribe button, go ahead and do so that you don't miss any of my video. Thank you. Bye.